Hey guys, today I will show you how you can transfer Sweatcoin to your Sweat wallet. So first, what you need to do is make sure you have both apps set up. Open the Sweatcoin app and check your balance. If you can see the Sweatcoins you've earned, that means everything is working correctly. Next, open the Sweat wallet app. The first time you launch it, it should automatically detect your Sweatcoin account and ask you to link it. Once linked, your Sweat wallet is ready to receive tokens. Now to move your balance, go back to the Sweatcoin app and tap on balance. Select Sweat and this will open your Sweat wallet automatically. When it loads, that means your Sweatcoin has been transferred. To double check, tap on transfer inside the Sweat wallet. Here you'll see the value of your Sweatcoin in dollars. For example, if you have 108 Sweatcoin, it might show up as around 9 cents in value. You can also go to the portfolio tab to view your total balance. If your tokens appear there, it means the transfer was successful. And that's it. That's how you transfer Sweatcoin into your Sweat wallet. Thanks for watching.